In this video, I will show you how to easily edit a signature in PDF with Acrobat. First of all, open the PDF with Acrobat and go to All Tools section and click on View More. In Tool List, find out Fill and Sign and select the Fill and Sign tool. And here you get all of your created signature. Now, to edit any signature from your signature list, just click this cross icon to delete the signature. And then click on Add Signature. And then go ahead and create your new signature. You can select type, draw, or you can upload a signature image from your PC. So just go ahead and create your new signature and click on apply. And the new signature will add. Now all you have to need, if you want to delete your existing signature from your PDF file, just select the signature and click on this delete icon and the old signature will delete. Now from Fill and Sign, select the new signature. Now go ahead and add your new signature just like this. And that's how you can actually edit signature in Acrobat.